Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Happy Kona. Today's video is about how to make a key holder from the waste newspaper. I am sure you must be having a stack of a newspaper at the corner of your house. Why don't you use it to make a very cute and easy key holders at your home? If you are interested in a newspaper key holder, keep on watching. For this DIY, you will mainly need a old newspaper. Make sure there are no cuts or the lines on the newspaper. Just give a little press with your hands here and there and then you are done to go. Fold a newspaper as directed in a video and just give a little press to the edges of the newspaper. Now cut the newspaper using a cutter. As I always say, if you are a kid, take the help of your parents. Just be a little sure while using a cutter. It might cut your finger as well. Now take the broomstick and roll the newspaper as shown in the video. Make sure you are taking out the broomstick slowly, otherwise it will get stuck inside the roll. It might happen the first 2-3 rolls will go wrong, but as you practice you will get a perfect roll. Give it a tight roll and apply little Fevicol at the end of the roll. Move the broomstick in a circular motion for the easy remove. Otherwise, the roll will get messed up. Tada! The rolls are ready. Now take a roll and press it end to end properly and start rolling around a paintbrush to make a coil. Now apply the Fevicol to secure the end. Take the another roll and attach it to the previous coil using a Fevicol and follow the same procedure as previous. Here I have made a coil of a 10 rolls. Similarly, I have made 5 coils of a 2 rolls each, and this is how we are going to arrange the coils to make a key holder. Now I am going to color all the coils with a bright and beautiful acrylic colors. This is how I have colored all the coils and let them dry for a while. Have you noticed the orange, red, blue are looking so bright and beautiful, and the yellow is not matching with the white. So I am changing the color of a bigger coil from yellow to black. Now let's join all the coils together using a fabric glue. I have a fabric glue in hand, but you can go anytime with the Fevicol. To give a strong bond, I am attaching the strips of a newspaper. Make sure you are attaching all the small coils with the bigger one and among themselves as well. Apply fabric glue to the end of the nail and press it in the coil. You can use the key holder as it is or decorate it with the mirror and the kundan. This is how we learn to make a key holder from the waste newspaper. If you like this video, give a huge thumbs up and don't forget comment down what you wanna see in the next video. If you are interested in more such DIY videos, make sure to subscribe this channel. I upload new video every week. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.